शेषशैलवास नारायणा भक्तपारिजाता नारायणा भक्तपारिजाता नारायणा शेषशैलवास नारायणा सर्वजीववासा नारायणा सामगानलोला नारायणा सत्यसाई रूपा नारायणा हे सत्यसाई रूपा नारायणा शेषशैलवासा narayana. That's how it goes. And the meaning is just, salutations to Lord Narayana. We are basically praying to Lord Narayana. And Seshasaila Vasa means the way he's reclining on the serpent, the Adisesha. So the way he's reclining on that one is depicted in this line. And Bhakta Parijata, you're the ever pleasing, the Parijata flower for your devotees and the indweller of all beings. And Samagana Lola, you foster the Samaveda, which is the basis of music. And Satyasai Rupa Narayana, our Lord Satyasai is in the form of Narayana, or our Satyasai is also the form of Narayana. So that's the thing. So are we ready to start?
Yes.
Okay. शेषशैलवासा नारायणा
शेषशैलवासा नारायणा
शेषशैलवासा नारायणा
शेषशैलवासा नारायणा
भक्तपारिजाता नारायणा
भक्तपारिजाता नारायणा
भक्तपारिजाता नारायणा
भक्तपारिजाता नारायणा
शेषशैलवासा नारायणा
शेषशैलवासा नारायणा
सर्वजीववासा नारायणा
सर्वजीववासा नारायणा
सर्वजीववासा नारायणा
सर्वजीववासा नारायणा
सामगानलोला नारायणा
सामगानलोला नारायणा
सामगानलोला नारायणा
सामगानलोला नारायणा
सत्यसाई रूपा नारायणा
सत्यसाई रूपा नारायणा.
Okay, then I'll teach you how to do the hey part because it has to come in the beat. But let's just learn the line first. Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
सत्यसाई रूपा नारायणा.
Hey Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
हे सत्यसाई रूपा नारायणा.
Hey Satya Sai Ru. Let's do that line one more time. It has to come together. Follow Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
He Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
He Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
He Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
Yeah. Sesha Sailavas. We'll go to the fast speed later, but let's just work on the lines now. So the last part I was telling, right, that hey part, it has to come when like we finish singing the line and people are following, right? So before even they are done, you have to pick up the hey part so that it comes in the beat. So let's do it, and I'll show you like how I am saying the hey part even before you are done. So just notice that part. Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
You see that? You were not done with the Narayana part yet, but I already came in with hey. So just I don't know how much in Zoom it's tough because the delays happen and then it's hard for you to pick up where I'm actually doing. Even if I show in my hand, there is a little delay, so it may confuse you more. But just pay attention to that part when you're listening to, say, the recording in Prashanti Mandir Bhajans or something. Notice that, like, sometimes we have to come in a little early so that we don't miss the beat. So let's do that part one more time. Let's do from the beginning, and we'll come to the end, then pay attention to that one. Let's start. Sesha Sailavasa Narayana.
Shesha Shailavasa Narayana.
Okay, just one more thing. The breath has to continue without breaking. Sesha Sailavasa Narayana. It can't be Sesha Sailavasa Narayana. It can't be like that. It has to be in one breath. So just take a deep breath and then start.
Okay.
Sesha Sailavasa Narayana.
Shesha Shailavasa Narayana.
Sesha Sailavasa Narayana.
Shesha Shailavasa Narayana.
Let's try one more time. Just take Sesha Sailavasa Narayana.
Shesha Shailavasa Narayana.
Beautiful. Sesha Sailavasa Narayana.
Shesha Shailavasa Narayana.
Bhakta Parijata Narayana.
Bhakta Parijata Narayana.
Bhakta Parijata Narayana.
Bhakta Parijata Narayana.
The na part has to end in note so that we can pick up Sesha Sailavasa without missing the tune. Okay, so I'll just show you one more time. Bhakta Parijata Narayana Sesha. It has to come there, right? So you have to end it where we can easily pick up Sesha. Otherwise, we won't be able to pick up Sesha in the correct note. Okay, so let's go. Bhakta Parijata Narayana. If that is hard, then let's just do Bhakta Parijata Narayana. Follow? Bhakta Parijata.
Narayana.
Yeah, you can stop there. Sesha Sailavasa Narayana.
Sesha Shailavasa Narayana.
Sarvajivavasa Narayana.
Sarvajivavasa Narayana.
Sarvajivavasa Narayana.
Sarvajivavasa Narayana.
Samaganalola Narayana.
Samaganalola Narayana.
Samaganalola Narayana.
Samaganalola Narayana.
Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
Ye Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
He Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
Ye Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
He Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
Okay, there's a small correction in Rupa. Satya Samaganalola Narayana. Satya Sai Rupa Narayana. Hey Satya Sai Rupa. There's so much going on in that Rupa. Satya Sai
Rupa
Narayana. Okay, just try one more time. Let's try it from Samagana. Let's
Okay.
do from Samagana Lola Narayana.
Samaganalola Narayana.
Satya Sai
Rupa
Narayana.
Satya Sai Rupa Narayana. Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
Just repeat after me. Hey Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
He Satya Sai Rupa Narayana.
Yeah. Almost there, but you got what I'm saying, right? There's a little lot of it is going on within that one
Yeah.
word Rupa.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so let's do it one more time. Seychelles, and remember to take your time to breathe and complete the sentence and complete the line without breaking in half in the middle of a word. Okay. Seshasailavasa Narayana.
Kesha Shailavasa Narayana.
Seshasailavasa Narayana.
Kesha Shailavasa Narayana.
Bhakta Parijata Narayana.
Bhakta Parijata ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಭಕ್ತ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಭಕ್ತ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಶೇಷಶೈಲವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಶೇಷಶೈಲವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸರ್ವಜೀವವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸರ್ವಜೀವವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸರ್ವಜೀವವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸರ್ವಜೀವವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ರಾಮಗಾನಲೋಲ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಕಾಮಗಾನಲೋಲ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸಾಮಗಾನಲೋಲ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಕಾಮಗಾನಲೋಲ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಏ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಏ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶೇಷಶೈಲವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಭಕ್ತ
you follow ಶೇಷಶೈಲವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಶೇಷಶೈಲವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಭಕ್ತ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಭಕ್ತ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಶೇಷಶೈಲವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಶೇಷಶೈಲವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸರ್ವಜೀವವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸರ್ವಜೀವವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ರಾಮಗಾನಲೋಲ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಕಾಮಗಾನಲೋಲ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸಾಮಗಾನಲೋಲ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಕಾಮಗಾನಲೋಲ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಏ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಏ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಶೇಷಶೈಲವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ
ಶೇಷಶೈಲವಾಸ ನಾರಾಯಣ